Hey, Doxig here to talk about naming molecular compounds. First, let's define a molecular compound. Non-metals bonded together by shared electrons or covalently bonded. So here's a study tip. You got to know where they are in the periodic table. And it does have an example of periodic table with metals, non-metals, and metalloids all labeled there if you want to refer back to that. Okay, so what are the rules that we're going to look at when it comes to naming molecular compounds? First, there's a simple formula. The first element, we're going to have Greek prefix plus the element name. Here's a big note though. On the first element, we never use the prefix mono. You don't do it. Second, fine. First, no. On the second element, Greek prefix plus element stem name plus the IDE ending. If you're not familiar how to use those, the stems and the IDE ending, refer to the naming monoatomic anion video. And we'll link that here. All right, so let's go ahead and look through our Greek prefixes. I have them on the side there for you. All right, so number of atoms given in the first column, the Greek prefix in the second. Naming the number of atoms. Number 1, mono. Again, we omit that for the first element. 2, di. 3, tri. 4, tetra. 5, penta. 6, hexa. 7, hepta. 8, octa. 9, nona. 10, deca. All right, so that's all the ones you'll need for this. All right, let's go ahead and work some examples. So I have CO, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. So it would be carbon monoxide. P4S6. The 4 would be a tetra prefix on the phosphorus, so tetraphosphorus. I have 6 sulfur, hexasulfide. SF6, sulfur, hexafluoride. P2O5, so 2 phosphorus, 5 oxygen, diphosphorus, pentaoxide. All right, so what if I'm given the name? I need to go back to the formula. That's easy. Nitrogen, which means I just have 1, so N, trichloride, Cl3. Dinitrogen, pentasulfide. So di meaning 2, so N2. Penta 5, so S5. Again, these are all subscripts when you're doing the numbering. Dibromine, so 2 bromine, so Br2. Heptaoxide, O7. Xenon hexafluoride, so xenon, just 1 xenon, so Xe. Hexafluoride, F6. Tetraphosphorus, tetra 4 phosphorus, P4. Decaoxide, O10. All right, that's it. There's some examples for you, how to do the rules. See you next video.